Hey everybody, it's Larry from Flying L Comics. I just wanted to introduce you to our next conservation project. This is Thrilling Comics number 51 from 1945. It's an Alex Schomburg cover. This is a beautiful comic book. However, it has some work to be done. I got this book from my friends at A1 Comics in Sacramento. They are my local comic book shop, and I highly recommend you visit them for any interesting books you might want to see. Now, this particular book, it has some tears, and we're going to address those tears in the following videos. We're going to clean this book, and we're going to reassemble it and submit it for a conserved grade to CGC. Now, this book is from December of 1945. It was published just 2 months after the end of World War II. It's an Alex Schomburg cover, and it depicts the Kid Commandos overrunning the Japanese. And it may not be politically correct by today's standards, but when we see art like this, it is of definite interest. Now, going through this book, let's take a look at the cover. As you can see, it is 1945 by Standard Magazine Incorporated. Now, this cover looks nice. It's got a little bit of tanning, but look at the colors in the interior pages. They're wonderful. There's some separations at the staples, which we're going to address. There is a tear here on the back cover. Now, that's not a big deal. All the pieces are there. That's the most important part. There's a couple of corner folds, dirty back cover, but it's nothing more than tears. As I said, all the pieces are complete. We're just going to reattach them to the correct places. Now, I love the art in this book, and the colors are just absolutely vibrant. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can fix some of these tears that are going to be coming up. Some of the other errors I spotted going through this book, such as this fold here on the page. Now, this is not a big deal. Once the page is damp and we are straightening it out and cleaning it, it will straighten out itself, and we'll press it flat, and once it's dry, everything will be fine and flat, and then the book will be reassembled. So far, this book is looking really good. Now here we find our first damage besides the spine. There is a tear in this page that's about 1.5 inches long, but there's a piece from the opposite page that is still attached. It looks like a nice clean tear, so we'll take this apart and we'll reattach it. And we'll go through that process in the following videos. Now, as we're approaching the rear cover, there are a few items that are on this. There's a fold at the bottom corner and a tear in the back cover. We'll address both these once we take care of things in the future videos. And as always, if you like what you see here at Flying O Comics, please like and subscribe and follow us, and feel free to ask any questions. I do my best to answer every one of them. Thank you, and please enjoy.